Hello everyone, my name is Omoife Joseph Upoma. Welcome to the Python for AI Engineering Mastery Series. In this series, I am documenting my journey from Python learner to AI engineering and enterprise AI architecture. Now, if you are interested in Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data engineering, cloud engineering, or software architecture, then you are in the right place. Today, we are going to complete an entire week of Python learning in one comprehensive bootcamp. By the end of this video, you will understand the foundation of programming and you will build your first complete Python application. Now, let's begin. So now the question is, what is Python? Now, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python was designed to be easy, simple, readable, and powerful. These are the things that make Python popular now. Now, Python is everywhere. Today, Python powers artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, web application, cybersecurity, and automation. ChatGPT uses Python, Netflix uses Python, Google uses Python, Spotify uses Python, Instagram uses Python. Python has become one of the most valuable technical skills you can learn. Now, here is how Python works. The computers don't understand Python directly. They understand machine instruction. The Python interpreter translates our Python code into instructions that the computer can execute. Now think of one interpreter as a translator between human and machine. This is how Python works.